Can you solve this math problem? Let's find out. The first thing we're going to do down below is we're going to rewrite this problem. So we have parentheses, -3 times 9 and parentheses squared plus parentheses -5 times 15 and parentheses. So since we have multiple operations within this problem, we need to make sure that we're following the order of operations here. And on our left-hand side, we can see the acronym PEMDAS, which stands for the order of priorities when solving problems just like this. So the P in PEMDAS stands for parentheses, so our first priority here is to solve for anything within parentheses. And since we have multiple parentheses to deal with here, we're going to work from left to right. So first, we're going to deal with our first parentheses, where we're going to be multiplying -3 times 9, and since we're multiplying a negative and a positive, it means we're going to get a negative product. So when we multiply -3 times 9, we get -27, and that -27 is squared. So now we're going to bring down the rest of this problem. So we have plus parentheses -5 times 15 and parentheses. So since we still have to solve within a parentheses here, we're going to work through our second parentheses. So we're going to be multiplying -5 times 15, which we know is going to give us -75. So we're going to bring that -75 down, and then we're going to bring down the rest of this problem. So we have -27 squared plus -75. So since we don't have anything else to solve within parentheses here, we're going to move on to our next priority of E, which stands for exponents. So we're going to solve for any exponents here. And here we have the exponent of -27 squared, or -27 to the power of 2. So we're going to be multiplying our base of -27 by itself twice. And since we're multiplying a negative times a negative, we're going to get a positive product. So when we multiply -27 times -27, we get 729. And now we're going to bring down the rest of this problem. So we have plus -75. And since we don't have any more exponents to deal with here, we're going to move on to our next priority of adding, because we don't have any multiplication or division here. And when we're adding a negative onto a positive, that means that we're going to be decreasing in value. So when we add -75 onto 729, we get 654. So our answer is B, 654. If you enjoyed this video, then please smash those like and subscribe buttons. As always, enjoy today's math journey.